Today is Sunday, 15th of April. Today I'm making some Italian style baked beans. Here I have a number 10 can of the Showboat pork and beans at Sam's. These are just $3.88, which is a lot cheaper than buying them by the individual smaller cans. But I have this much left that I'm not going to use. I'm just going to put it in a container and put it in the freezer. And once I thaw it out, it's just like I got a new can. This is probably about 2 cans here of the 15-ounce cans. Also, I have some green peppers and a few red. I found some red peppers too for $1, which is really cheap. So I got those. I have some brown sugar, and I hope there's not too much. I have some bacon. This is half of a 12-ounce thing of bacon. I baked it, put it in the oven, and then I crumbled it. That's what this is. Mustard. Barbecue sauce. And also to this, I have some ground beef. Maybe a pound, well actually it's ground chuck. A pound of ground chuck. And to this, I've strained it. But to that, I also added just a little salt and pepper. Just so it won't go in there with a raw ground beef taste. So we're going to mix all this up. And it's okay if you put it in there warm. It's not going to hurt it. Okay, I've mixed it up real good. It tastes pretty good. So you say Italian baked beans, why? Well, in my baked beans, I do use a little cinnamon. Not a lot, but they kind of help take the raw taste out. Kind of like how you do with salt when you do like fruit dishes like fruit pies, whatever. And then a little Italian seasoning. Not a lot, but that's why you call them Italian baked beans. And this is not my recipe. We used to do potlucks and retail, and a lady had made these, and I like them. So, like I said, I don't make them very often. I said, well, you know what? Let me try and see if anybody on YouTube would like to try them. But anyway, so for today, we're having barbecue chicken, ribs, and those red sausage, potato salad, and these beans. Now, if I were doing like a dirty rice or macaroni and cheese or something, I wouldn't add the meat. I would add the bacon, but not the ground beef. So what's different about Italian baked beans? You're using Italian seasoning, and I add, and they did, the ground beef to it. So this is all we're going to do. We're going to bake this in the oven on 350 for about 30 minutes. Okay, y'all, so here are the baked beans. They're kind of thick like I like them. Can y'all see? I'm trying to, yeah, here they are. So it's just coming out of the oven. I'm going to blow it and try a little bit. One thing I can say, and that's why I don't really like to cut my vegetables up. It tastes better when your bell peppers are fresh. The green ones are ones that I actually had in the freezer already. Certain dishes, just frozen vegetables are not the best. I mean, it's good, but I know it would be better with fresh bell pepper. So I'm going to give it a taste. They are good, y'all.